This is QualiCare Maids, and today we are doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitation for offices. All of our home cleanings and office cleanings now involve the COVID-19 home cleaning and sanitization of all objects and of all surfaces in an office and a home. This is the office that we will be doing today. This is QualiCare Maids, and we are doing an office cleaning and sanitization for the COVID-19 virus. This office does not have COVID-19 virus in the office, but many offices, spaces, and many home cleaners, homes and apartment renters and buyers are requesting the COVID-19 home cleaning and sanitizing, and this is what we are doing now. So stay tuned, and we will give you part 2 of this video. Okay, we are doing an office cleaning and sanitizing, and our customers are requesting the COVID-19 home cleaning and office cleaning sanitizing. So this is the process that you'll see us doing. Everything is washed down thoroughly, and everything is sanitized. As you can see, we are cleaning the chairs, and this is the process that we go through. Everything is cleaned thoroughly. At QualiCare Maids, we are offering a service that is very popular right now. Our service was featured on WCNC News, and QualiCare Maids has been doing healthy home cleaning and office cleaning services since 2006. This is why we are very professional at what we do, and this is why we give each customer a thorough home cleaning or office cleaning. And a lot of our home cleanings and office cleanings are on video. We video them, and we're able to show the customer that you are getting a thorough clean. So you never have to doubt the QualiCare Maids quality of our cleaning service. Because as you can see, we go from top to bottom. We get all in between. And after we finish cleaning these objects, they will be sanitized again. So this is a 2-part process. This is a cleaning process and a sanitizing process. And you see we've got 2 beautiful ladies that clean real well.
You gotta do any more today?
Let me grab the vacuum.
This is another QualiCare Maids COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing that officers and homeowners are requesting in the Charlotte area to be safe. Okay. This is a QualiCare Maids final clean and inspection and a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitation clean. We are doing the walkthrough to make sure everything is good. As we say at QualiCare, your business or home is not totally clean until it's been cleaned by QualiCare Maids. We thank all the people and businesses that contact us daily for a cleaning service. And as you can see, we leave your cleaning task complete. At QualiCare Maids, this is what we do. We make sure each customer is satisfied with our work.